Let's see this beauty. Beautiful large house. If we're gonna go outside around the house, some brick, has nice backyard. It has AC unit, if nobody stole it. Some windows need to be changed. I think it's a huge house. Let's go inside and see it. It has really good foundation, I would say. I bet this house it's about 100 years old, maybe more. Okay. They remove carpet. So this is room number 1. This is room number 2. And this is huge kitchen. Which is pretty cool. And this is bathroom right here.
How much money
I am coming upstairs. You like it? Like the house? Yeah? Okay. It has 2 bedrooms downstairs. How many upstairs? 3, I think. 3? Okay. 1. And it's look like a kitchen. But it can be bedroom. Ooh! Look at this beautiful bathroom. So 1, 2, yeah, 3. One, two, 3, and we have 1 more upstairs. Yep. You need to put some drywall here, I'm sure, but it's pretty clean and nice. Look at this huge room. So it's gonna be 1 more room. 4 upstairs. 1 downstairs. So it's 5 bedroom. 2 bathroom. Basement. Are you in a basement? Yeah. So wow, I really love this brick. Oh my god. It's another bedroom here, huh? Yeah?
You can't expect it here.
What?
It's too much night. It gotta be straight out. And it's too far apart. This is a discharge. This is combustion of air from the furnace.
Wow, I love this basement. I do.
Because it's high, right?
Yeah, and it has 2 meters.
Electrical, it's okay.
Yeah.
The warrants are not too old.
Okay, I'm making offer on this one.
You are?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Good luck. I tried already.
What do you mean? You tried to make an offer?
Yeah.
For how much?
I told them 30. You cannot pay more than 30. You went all the way to the attic?
Yep.
You saw the woods in the corners and everything?
Yep.
Okay.
So 30, you think it's
How much
was-
you think you're going to spend to bring it back to...
10?
Huh?
10?
10?
Around 15 more. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see. Okay, we're gonna make an offer on this one. Bye.